Hello, and thank you for tuning in to Zippo Lion's Den. This is a package I received this past week of a purchase that I made, and it was really well packaged. That's why I'm showing you the box as well. I bought this from a seller out of Lower Michigan. They make a wonderful addition to my hometown collection. You'll see why in a minute. And I have to say, they packaged them lovely. They were never used. They had the stickers on them, which I had to remove because, they're the stickers. And they come in the old school plastic boxes from the late 90s, early 2000s, with all the paperwork. The first one, wait for that one, the first one is this one. Manitowoc Company, done on a red matte lighter. It is a XV, XV being 1999, H being August, I believe. Never used, in beautiful shape. With an I, September, I believe, XVI, which is a 2000 insert. Still works, obviously. I just don't have any feel in it. And I don't have one of these yet, so now I do, which is really awesome. Makes a wonderful addition to my Manitowoc collection, my hometown. And this one is the one I was really super excited for. It is another Manitowoc Zippo. Solid brass. Look at that. That is a beautiful lighter. I don't care what anybody says. I think this one's gorgeous. It is a December 2000 case. And it would work too if I would ever decide to fill it. And it is a July 2000 insert. I've never seen one of these in person before. I've only seen them in pictures. And I am just excited and super happy to have one of these in my collection. It is a beautiful lighter. And what can I say? They make great additions to my collection. I have to give a shout out to a fellow collector named Chuck from Michigan, who gave me the heads up on where to find these and how to get them. I ended up getting in contact with the seller, worked out a deal through eBay, and they shipped them very quickly after I made my payment. So that's what I wanted to show you today. These two wonderful additions to my collection. And I thank you for tuning in. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you.